Imagine being 15 years old, sitting in your bedroom, surrounded by video games, and secretly running one of the most shocking Wall Street scams in history. Back in the early 2000s, a high school kid discovered something Wall Street's billion-dollar firms had completely missed. He realized he could manipulate stocks without even leaving his room. I bet you ask yourself now, how? By creating fake press releases. He would pose as big companies, make fake announcements about mergers or partnerships, and investors would go wild. Stock prices would jump overnight, and while professionals in expensive suits scrambled to buy in, this teenager, sitting in his pajamas, was selling at the peak. At one point, he turned just a few $1,000s into hundreds of thousands. Imagine being a sophomore in high school and making more than your principal, teachers, and maybe even your parents combined. But Wall Street doesn't like being embarrassed. It didn't take long before the SEC, America's stock market watchdog, caught on. Agents traced the digital footprints right back to a kid's suburban bedroom. Here's the kicker. Instead of being thrown in prison for life, he got off surprisingly lightly because he was under 18, and his story became a warning. If a teenager with a dial-up internet connection could outsmart billion-dollar firms, what does that say about the system itself? So what do you think? Was he a criminal genius? Or just a kid exposing Wall Street's weaknesses?